Reliance Power, a name most investors had forgotten, is now making a quiet but powerful comeback. Once written off, this company from the Anil Ambani group is showing signs of revival. Yes, the same Anil Ambani who was once among the richest men in India, whose empire nearly collapsed under heavy debt. But now? His company Reliance Power is up nearly 3x from its 25 to 30 Indian rupees base, currently trading at 71 Indian rupees. What's happening behind the scenes? Is this the real turnaround or another temporary pump? Welcome to Next Gen Investors, your channel for powerful, practical, and profitable investing insights. Today, let's break down the full story behind Reliance Power's comeback and whether it can still deliver from here. From IPO to downfall. Let's rewind to 2008. Reliance Power had the biggest IPO in Indian history, over 11,000 Indian rupees crore raised. The stock got heavily oversubscribed, listing at a premium. But soon after, everything crashed. Heavy debt, project delays, overpromises, underdelivery, and a promoter group that slowly lost investor trust. From 400 Indian rupees at IPO to under 10 Indian rupees in 2020, it became the classic case of hype turning into horror. The turnaround begins, 2021 to 2024. But something started changing from 2021. First, the company began aggressively reducing debt by converting loans into equity and selling assets. Second, it merged Reliance Natural Resources Limited, RNRL, and other group companies to simplify the structure. Third, the company shifted focus from coal-heavy projects to renewables and energy storage. Legal issues were also being handled. In 2023, the Supreme Court and DRT cleared many pending debt cases, giving Reliance Power much-needed breathing room. And yes, Anil Ambani personally appeared in many of these legal hearings, showing intent to clean up the mess. What's driving the current rally? The share price has now surged from 25 to 30 Indian rupees levels to 71 Indian rupees. That's nearly 3x returns in less than 2 years. Here's why. Green energy focus. Reliance Power is now investing in solar and battery energy storage systems, BESS. They've already announced multiple pilot projects, and state governments are also interested. Debt-free vision. The company has cleared a large portion of its debt, especially after converting promoter loans into equity. Debt to equity is now more sustainable. Policy tailwinds. The government's push for energy transition, subsidies for solar, and PLI schemes make the sector attractive. Retail plus operator interest. Recent data shows strong delivery volumes and FII interest. Even operators are showing signs of accumulation. But, is this growth sustainable? Financial highlights, FY25. Let's look at the numbers. Revenue, FY25 1,867 Indian rupees crore, up 28% YOY. Net profit, 62 Indian rupees crore, back in the green. Debt to equity, now below 1.3x, much improved from earlier 3x. EPS, 1.17 Indian rupees, first positive EPS after several quarters. Cash flow, stable, with receivables under control. The financial base is still small, but it's stable now. The turnaround is not just emotional, it's backed by numbers. Risks and red flags. Let's stay honest and grounded. Reliance Power still has risk. Execution risk. Will Anil Ambani really scale green projects or just announce big plans? Dilution risk. Past debt conversions diluted equity. Further funding may do the same. Legacy assets. They still own some stranded or delayed power projects. Low promoter holding, currently under 24%. That's not high. Could indicate future pledges or volatility. So, while the rally looks strong, it's not risk-free. Be cautious, not greedy. Final verdict. So, is Reliance Power still investable at 71 Indian rupees? Here's my take. It's already moved 3x, but the story is not over. With a clean balance sheet and focus on green power, this can still become a multi-year compounder, especially if execution continues. But don't expect overnight magic. This is a turnaround plus green energy plus policy-aligned story, not a rocket ship. Track project progress, promoter actions, and delivery volumes before investing more. Always have your risk management in place. Disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor. Please do your own research or consult a financial advisor before investing. Comment below, are you bullish or cautious on Reliance Power? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value. More turnarounds, stock stories, and deep analysis coming soon, only on Next Gen Investors. Until then, stay smart, and keep compounding.